Aquí.
Fiesta?
Right now. Right now. Proposal.
Check the camera.
You're buying. I'm just kidding.
Hola.
Good.
Right here, right now. And number, numero 3.
Okay.
Mujer número 3.
Here, I'm gonna get in here.
Okay. Oh yeah, you can get it from right there. Video of this. Like, there you go.
Who's that?
Yeah! Nice job, honey. Nice job.
Good job.
Woohoo!
Mommy's about to break.
She's
Mommy's about to break.
a daredevil.
Are you getting nervous?
Thank you for
Thank
surviving.
you.
Libre.
That was so.
That was awesome.
That was too fast.
That was fun.
Wasn't that, when you go past the mountains and the bushes, I clipped a little bush.
It's me too.
That little one that's like, yeah. Alejandro. Hola.
Konnichiwa.
Okay, here comes Carrie.
Which one's coming? Who's coming?
Okay.
Okay. Whoops. We had a little 45-minute crying.
Oh no.
No.
Benny, look at that.
Maybe you should hold her so she
Good
doesn't.
time my shoe. You know, like.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah!
Woohoo!
Awesome that you guys are here.
Margarita.
And you know how to just flip it.
Oh boy, now I'm nervous.
Do that.
Okay. Hey, everybody try and get on that side so I can get you all in on the film too. If you can't see the camera, I can't see you. Move forward a little bit, guys.
Already scoot forward a little bit.
Yeah.
In the dirt. Get in the dirt.
Right there.
Yeah.
Cool. Woo!
I gotta get
Okay.
behind here. I gotta get video.
In this side.
Yeah. Okay, so.
You got it?
What does he say? I gotta zoom out a little bit. I'm too close.
She comes.
Oh my god. It's just gonna come on nice and easy.
Yeah!
In the other side, please.
Yeah.
In the other side.
This side, okay.
Yes, please. Oh my God.
Nice.
Thank you. Wow.
Once you get undone, you have to cross over the other side again.
Okay.
Watch out here, your hands. How was it?
That's good. That's fast.
Yeah!
Right. Okay. Hey, Kirsten, go over the other side.
Oh, sorry.
Look, no, other side. Here, right there. Look, no, face Artie. Face Artie.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Will you marry me?
Oh my god.
The 56-mile-an-hour proposal.
Congratulations!
Look, we got out of the way.
Woo!
Oh wow. Oh my god.
Congratulations.
I feel more scared for Artie right now. Like, really?
Put it on the finger.
He did it alcohol free. That's what happened.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
That's beautiful.
Woo!
I'm proud of you.
Why do you think us guys have been so secretive all week?
Hiding out, trying to man.
We've been trying to, okay, let's go out, have beers, and talk about it, plan it. We've
Yeah.
been trying.
I didn't want to be the last one.
Oh, it's still on video.
Sorry. One last shot.
No, thank you.
Smoking.
It's a beautiful night.